Hello folks, you're welcome once again to my channel, Jude, Wawa Boss Ayog. In today's episode of The Expose with Wawa Boss, I will be talking about the topic I titled, Is Northern Nigeria the Problem of the Nation? Now, basically, first thing first, this is not a tribalistic comment. I'm not trying to be tribalistic or say that the entire problem is in northern inclined, or like I'm saying other regions doesn't have a problem or something like that. I want you guys to dissuade your mind from anything tribalistic sentiments, but let's speak out of pure facts. Basically that's why I asked the question. I didn't go directly and say North is the problem of Nigeria, but I asked, is Northern Nigeria the problem of Nigeria? Now, to start with, basically every region has its own challenges. Every region has its own problem. There is armed robbery going on in almost all parts of the country. Armed robbery is not situated with a particular tribe. Neither does it mean that a particular tribe is involved in kidnapping only or whatever. But the point I'm trying to point out is Nigeria has some kind of negative name outside in the global community because of certain things. Now, a lot is going on in the northern part of Nigeria. Banditry, killings by herdsmen, kidnapping, it's now turning into a normal activity. It doesn't look anymore like an abnormal activity, to the point that it is actually now like what I would call a planned work or orchestrated job, or like a conspiracy, that is going on right now in the north, whereby some group of bandits would kidnap students from a school. The government will pay them money, they will release the kids again after some time, another set, or maybe that same bandits will kidnap go to another school, kidnap kids from the school, children from the school, they will pay them money. So it's as if certain elements in the government who are leaders from the northern part of Nigeria are actually part of this kidnapping ring. They're actually part of this. It's all a setup, basically. If you look at it very well, it's like it's an agreement or a setup that it's a new way of siphoning money and empowering some northern elites in the north. Now, why I ask that question, if northern Nigeria is the problem of this country, it's because if you look at the southern Nigeria, whenever there is a discovery or whenever there is a good invention by a Nigerian abroad, let's say in America or UK, if you look at that Nigeria, 99% definitely is a southern Nigeria, either from the western part, the south part, or the southeast part. Either it's an Igbo man, Yoruba man, or maybe from Niger Delta. Basically, look at, I'll make instances, look at Dr. Okonjo-Iweala, who has put Nigeria on the map by becoming the first black African, the first woman to be elected as the chairperson of WTO, World Trade Organization. Look at Dr. Uche Ogbuagu, that was part of the team in Pfizer that developed the COVID-19 vaccine. So many industrious Igbo men and women doing exploits abroad as medical doctors, as scientists, and the rest of them, even in the West. Look at the music industry, look at Burna Boy, look at Davido, look at Wizkid, all from the West, putting Nigeria on the map, on the global stage. Come to the South, a lot of industrious people are doing so well. Whenever there are good, positive news coming from Nigeria, that Nigerians are doing certain things, it is always from the southern part of Nigeria. Look at Chimamanda Adichie from the east. I can name it. But whenever there is negative news about Nigeria, like Boko Haram, like herdsmen, like terrorism, like every negative news, it's coming from the north. So I tend to be corrected. Is northern Nigeria the problem of this country? I'm not being tribalistic, I'm not being biased. This is just a research. I've been going through this in my head. Like, I want you guys to also comment. Why is it that, now my question is, why is it that whenever there's good news of a Nigerian putting Nigeria on the global map, doing something positive, it's always from the southern part of Nigeria, from either Igbo, Yoruba or Niger Delta. But whenever there is a negativity or negative news coming out of Nigeria, it's always from the north. Banditry, kidnapping, all sorts of herdsmen issues. In 2021, we are still talking about open grazing. We're talking about taking cows around the nation. Who does that? Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying the Igbos don't do drugs or they don't do kidnapping or they don't do armed robbery or the Benis or Yorubas don't commit crime. But at least, even though a number of them do crime, a very, very large quantity or number of them also do things that put Nigeria in positive light globally. But for the north, nothing. I want somebody to name me one Hausa man from the north who has put Nigeria on the map before. So I'm not being tribalistic, I'm just stating facts here. You know, it's like the entire problem or the bad negative news we get or that is displayed outside Nigeria is always from the north. Poverty in the north, despite the fact that they have been ruling this country for more times than any other tribe. You know, this video is becoming too long. So guys, it's northern Nigeria the problem of the nation. Drop your comments, like this video, share this video, let it go viral. You can drop your comments if you disagree with everything I said in this video. Fine, you can drop your comment and share your own facts. Thank you for watching. Please, we'll see you again in the next episode. Thank you.